Hello, this is PrepClass. I'm gonna sound official right now. Yeah, I want to sound official and business-like right now. So I'm just gonna say I'm Miss Jennifer, and this is PrepClass. Welcome to another learning session with PrepClass. So we're going to continue from where we stopped. The Jsce English language. Ask questions. Don't. Oh my God, I suck at that. You know what? I'm just gonna stick to how I talk best. Okay, I'm just gonna stick to that. So, hi everyone, I'm Jennifer, and this is PrepClass, and we are still on our Jsce English language past questions. We're still tackling it, conquering it. Okay, so we're just gonna start it from where we stopped in the last learning session, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By the way, subscribe to our channel, like and comment, share with your friends. Let's see and know what they have to say about PrepClass. Okay, let's learn together with our friends. We'll play together with them, so let's learn together with them. And then don't forget to like or comment, drop in your comments, anything at all, anything at all. Freedom of speech, remember? Yeah, freedom of speech. So don't forget to comment. Let's know what you think about PrepClass. Tell us your concerns. You can discuss your concerns with us, your educational concerns with us. We are here to listen to you and provide you with the best educational service there is out there. Okay, so I am done talking about me and PrepClass. No, talking about PrepClass. We PrepClass. Okay, so don't forget to like or comment. Don't forget to like or comment. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to like and comment. Okay, so I said that like 5 times. All right, let's shoot. So we continue from where we stopped, and our 71st question. Okay, we're still on interpreting an expression. Although not the idiomatic expression, it doesn't look like it, right? Yeah, it doesn't look like it, so we'll just have to interpret the expression. So here, Ngozi is fond of picking quarrel. Yeah, Ngozi is fond of picking quarrel with her friends. This means Ngozi is A, friendly, B, stubborn, C, selfish, and D, hostile. So when you're always fond of picking quarrels with people, when you're always fond of arguing and seriously arguing and keeping malice and doing those kind of things that children of God shouldn't do. Per se, verbal abuse and behavior wise, that is, you're said to be hostile when you're not friendly, when you're not welcoming, when you don't easily let go of grudges, what you're said to be hostile. So here, Ngozi is fond of picking quarrels with her friends. So since she's fond of picking quarrels with her friends, it can only mean one thing: that she is hostile and always at enmity. She's always at constant enmity. No, just call it enmity. Really, enmity. There's no word like enmity. We really have enmity. So she's always at enmity with people, her friends especially. Alright, so we have it, option D, hostile. Alright, so the second question. More power to your elbow. This could be interpreted as A, raise your elbow. B, keep the flag flying. C, adjust your elbow, and D, your elbow is powerful. So when you hear more power to your elbow, it simply means keep it up, keep the flag flying. So you usually get expressions and comments like this from mommy or daddy or your teachers or your elderly ones when you do good, when you make them proud. Say when you ace your exams. Maybe when you do good at your extracurricular activities, your debates and stuff like that, things that make, those things that make mommy and daddy proud. Yeah, so they congratulate you and they tell you more power to your elbow. It means keep it up, keep the flag flying, keep doing good. All right, so we have it. Option B, keep the flag flying. That's our correct answer. 73rd question. Candy will neither eat rice nor beans tonight. This means Candy A will not eat anything tonight. B will not eat rice or will eat beans. C will eat rice or will eat beans. D will not eat rice and will not eat beans. So which is it? Now, when you hear neither nor, it's a pronoun used in English, neither nor, either or, right? Neither nor, either or, they're both pronouns usually used in the English language. So when you hear neither nor, it simply means that nothing of the two entities will happen. Okay, so that basically means that you use neither nor to show that two things will not happen or is not true. Okay, so neither will I go to school nor will I sleep. So I'm saying that I will not go to school and I will not sleep. When I say neither will I stay at home nor will I play football, it means I will not stay at home and I will not play football. I will do none of those. Okay, so neither nor shows negativity. It's used as to show negativity. It's used to show that two things are not true. Okay, all right. So here, Candy will neither eat rice nor beans tonight. So it means that Candy will not eat rice and he will not eat beans. Okay, he won't eat rice and he will not eat beans. So that's the meaning. Option D. All right, our 74th question. Be patient. We will soon round up the discussion in due course. This means the discussion will soon be A, concluded, B, adapted, C, moved, and D, shifted, which is it. So to round up simply means to finish, to conclude, to complete. Okay? When you say, I'm about to round up with my classes, I'm about to round up with my soccer practice. So when you say round up, it means finish, to conclude, or complete. So here, be patient, we shall soon finish, conclude the discussion in due course. So another word for round up is conclude, or the meaning of round up is conclude. All right, so here we have it. Option A, conclude. Okay, our 75th question. The driver took to his heels before the police got to the scene of the accident. This means the driver, A, confessed, B, knelt down, C, began to jump, and D, ran away. Which is it? So when it means to take to your heels, it means fleeing, spinning off. Okay? So it means to run away. That's the meaning of taking to your heels. To take to heels is to flee, speed off, or run away. So that is it. We have it. Option D, run away. The driver ran away before the police got to the scene of the accident. All right, so that is it. What? Are you expecting more? Are you expecting more questions? Well, there is none for now. Of course, there's more coming on your way. Yeah, there is more coming your way. So, but for now, we are done with this learning session. I hope you understood and learned something. I did. I always do. So I hope you do. Let me know what you think about this particular learning session, and let me know what your concerns. Yeah, you can discuss your concerns. It's cool, totally cool. So please, stick with PrepClass. I'm just going to say that once, no, twice. Stick with PrepClass. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to share with your friends. We are here for you, okay? So, yeah, we're here. We're waiting on you, and we are ready, willing to provide the best learning experience for you. Those for. So we're willing to provide the best learning experience for you. don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, okay, so that you can enjoy all the benefits, all of them, all of the benefits that come with being a member of the PrepClass platform. Oh my god, does it happen to you? Sometimes you just run out of words. It's like your word store. It's like your word store is just blank. You know, you search for words in your head and I don't know, it just disappears. Okay, so that is it. Stay safe, stay happy. I look forward to learning with you, of course. Please be here. Alright, I look forward to learning with you in our next learning session, which is, by the way, coming up shortly. Alright, so don't go anywhere. PrepClass loves you. Bye.